Parsha of Noach is a parasha of a flood that comes about because people are violating each other's boundaries. In fact, the verse says everyone was just stealing from everyone else, living other people's lives. They weren't actually living out the truth of who they were in a way that really reflected the nature of God's desire for there to be individuals with separate identities in this world. And so it just gets flooded away. It's just a reflection of who they had become. So there's a solution at the end of the parasha, which is kind of a solution of the people who build the tower. They say, let's make a name for ourselves. Let's make a name. Let's make our identity. Let's build it as if we're building with stones. Yeah, but that doesn't work either. And the reason it doesn't work is because actually what's going on there is people are artificially developing an identity rather than let it come out of the truth of who they are. And so the rabbis say that was avodah zara, that was like a strange service, mostly strange to themselves because it wasn't the true service they were meant to bring. But then there's someone who appears in the parasha who becomes the great-great-grandfather of Avraham and of our people, Shem. Shem becomes the name, the identity, which is that which is Baruch, is blessed. Blessed means expanding and growing out of the truth of who I am. And to this day, when we call a baby by their name, we don't say, your name will be called so-and-so, but rather, it will be called your name, meaning you'll grow into it. You'll become who you're meant to be in the identity that will only come about by virtue of your letting it flow out of you through the infinite interactions you have with life. That's the kind of name and identity to which we're invited. And when people have that, they know exactly where their boundaries are, what belongs to the other, and what belongs to me. Let's let ourselves just take these notes and feel coming out of ourselves, this is a true expression of myself. That's what I yearn for. That's what I'm created for. That's Parshat Noach.